Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Suchandra Day and today we are going to learn a very interesting story from English literature, A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. But before we begin, let me ask you a question. Do you have a pet at home? Maybe a dog, cat or bird? And tell me honestly, do we sometimes love our pets so much that we spoil them? Well, today's story is exactly about that. Too much love that actually harms a pet. So let's begin. First, let's talk about the author. The story is written by James Herriot, whose real name was James Alfred White. He was not only a writer but also a veterinary surgeon. That means a doctor who treats animals because of his profession. Many of his stories are based on real experiences with animals and their owners. His writing style is warm, humorous, and very heart touching. And this story is filled with gentle humor and an important lesson about pet care. Now let's understand the theme of the story. The main theme is the consequences of over pampering pets. Sometimes, when we love someone too much, we give them whatever they want. But is that always good? Not really. This story also highlights the importance of proper diet, the need for exercise, a practical approach to caring for animals, and the humor of everyday life. So, the story teaches us that love must be balanced with responsibility. Now, let's quickly understand the story. The story is about a small dog named Tricky. Tricky belongs to a very rich lady called Mrs. Pumphrey, who loves him deeply. But there is a problem. Mrs. Pumphrey treats Tricky too much, feeds Tricky too much with rich food like cream cakes, chocolates, eggs, and many special treats. Let me ask you something here. What do you think will happen if someone eats too much unhealthy food and never exercises? Exactly, they become unhealthy. The same thing happens to Tricky. He becomes very fat and ill because of overeating and lack of exercise. When Tricky becomes very sick, the veterinary doctor James Herriot is called to examine him. Herriot quickly realizes the real problem. The dog is not seriously ill. He is simply overfed and under-exercised. So Herriot decides to take Tricky to his surgery, that is his clinic. But here comes the interesting part. Instead of giving expensive medicines, Herriot gives Tricky something very simple. Plain food, exercise, normal routine. And guess what happens? Tricky becomes healthy and energetic again. When Mrs. Pumphrey sees Tricky healthy again, she is extremely happy. She thinks it was a miraculous medical treatment. She even calls it a triumph of surgery. But in reality, Tricky recovered because of simple care and discipline, not complicated treatment. This part of the story creates gentle humor and irony. Let's discuss the moral values of the story. What lessons do we learn from here? We should not overindulge our pets. Pets need exercise and a balanced diet. True love means doing what is good for someone, not just what makes them happy. We should trust professionals like doctors or veterinarians. So, the story teaches us an important life lesson. Practical love is better than blind affection. Now, let's talk about pets in general. Why do people keep pets? They keep pets in order to because they provide companionship, emotional support, and they also teach us responsibility. But caring for pets properly is very important. Good pet care includes balanced diet, regular exercise, routine medical checkups, love with discipline. So, to conclude, a triumph of surgery shows how genuine care and balanced treatment can bring real recovery. The story also reminds us that there is a fine line between love and overindulgence. Too much pampering can actually cause harm, and therefore, responsible pet ownership is very important. Before we end, I would love to ask you one question. What do you think is the biggest lesson from this story? Write your answer in the comments section. If you found this explanation helpful, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English literature lessons. Thank you for watching. Once again, I am Suchandra D, and I will see you in the next video. Happy learning.